Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The kitchen is the heart of the home, a space where meals are prepared, conversations are had, and memories are made. It is a place of creativity, nourishment, and connection. The design and layout of a kitchen should prioritize functionality, efficiency, and aesthetics to create a space that is both practical and visually appealing. One of the key considerations when designing a kitchen is the layout. The work triangle, consisting of the sink, stove, and refrigerator, is a fundamental concept that ensures efficiency in the kitchen workflow. By positioning these key elements in close proximity to one another, it becomes easier to move between tasks and optimize the cooking process. Other important elements, such as countertops, cabinets, and kitchen islands, should also be strategically placed to facilitate smooth movement and easy access to utensils, ingredients, and appliances. Storage is essential in a kitchen to maintain an organized and clutter-free space. Cabinets, drawers, and pantry space should be designed to accommodate the storage needs of various kitchen items, from pots and pans to cutlery, dishes, and pantry staples. Consider incorporating smart storage solutions, such as pull-out shelves, lazy Susans, or vertical storage, to maximize space and make items easily accessible. The choice of materials and finishes in a kitchen can greatly impact its overall aesthetic and functionality. Countertops made of materials like granite, quartz, or stainless steel offer durability and ease of maintenance. Flooring options such as tile, hardwood, or vinyl should be chosen for their durability and resistance to spills and stains. Backsplashes can add visual interest and protection against water and grease. It's important to select materials that not only complement the design style but also withstand the demands of a kitchen environment. Lighting is a critical element in a kitchen, as it influences both functionality and ambience. Adequate task lighting, such as under-cabinet lights or pendant lights above work areas, ensures proper visibility for food preparation and cooking. Ambient lighting can create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while accent lighting can highlight specific design features or focal points. Natural light should also be maximized through the use of windows, skylights, or glass doors, creating a bright and airy feel. The color scheme of a kitchen can significantly impact its overall look and feel. Neutral colors, such as white, beige, or gray, create a timeless and versatile backdrop, allowing for flexibility in accessorizing and personalizing the space. Bold pops of color can be incorporated through accents like backsplashes, cabinet handles, or small appliances, adding personality and visual interest. Appliances are a fundamental part of any kitchen and should be selected based on both functionality and style. High-quality appliances that align with the needs and cooking habits of the household contribute to a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Stainless steel finishes are popular for their modern and sleek appearance, while integrated appliances can create a seamless and cohesive look. The kitchen can also be adorned with decorative elements that add character and reflect personal style. From artwork and wall decor to potted plants or fresh herbs on the windowsill, these touches can infuse the space with warmth and personality. Displaying cookbooks, unique kitchenware, or cherished heirlooms can also add a personal touch and create a sense of nostalgia. In conclusion, the kitchen is a multifunctional space that combines practicality, creativity, and aesthetics. By considering the layout, storage solutions, choice of materials, lighting, color scheme, and personal touches, a well-designed kitchen can become a hub of culinary inspiration and a gathering place for family and friends. Whether it's a cozy country kitchen, a sleek modern design, or a timeless traditional style, the kitchen can be transformed into a functional and inviting space that reflects the unique lifestyle and tastes of its inhabitants. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!